So today's our experiment is study the microstructure of carbon nanotube reinforced copper composite. In this experiment, our objective is study the microstructure and determine the matrix and void concentration in the copper matrix by using image analysis method. So for this experiment, we need one upright optical microscope. You see, this is our upright optical microscope. In this microscope, this is eyepiece, both one, and this is camera, and there are different types of lens. This is objective lens 5x, this is 10x, this is 20x, and this is 50x. So for our experiment we are using 20x zoom objective lens. So, and we are using one software, and that is Exovision SE64. Now you can see this is our software, Exovision 6 SE64, and when we click on here, our live view we can see here, and this is the live view of carbon nanotubes in copper matrix. In the black spot you are seeing, this black spot is actually carbon nanotube. Now we have to calculate the percentage of this nanotube in this copper matrix, and for this we have to go in this measure method and just click on the measure, then come to below where automatic measurement program widgets. Click here. Now the picture is coming inside the software. Just click on the one button, next. In the software, click here, next, and here you see this brightness contracts gamma. If in the picture there is brightness or something is less or more, we can adjust here. Now our picture is become good image. Then go to again, click on next, and this type of picture is coming, and again go to next button. Here also we can change the brightness, but our picture's brightness is okay. We can go forward, again click on the next, and here also threshold sizes we are accepting. Threshold size minimum is 3 micron and maximum is 255. We can reduce it by clicking up to, okay, it's 250. So maximum is 250 and minimum is 3 micron. So next, just click on this. Then here you can see entire image or single object. That means in whole this picture, what is the percentage of carbon nanotubes in this area, in the red area, that is called entire image or single object. If you select one particles, then that is the single object and it percentage will show. For the experiment we will take entire image system, and next option is click option or outline options. So for outline, if we are selecting single object, then we have to go to outline, but we are selecting first was the entire image, so we have to go with click option, this one, Then we have to click any carbon nanotubes particles. Just I am clicking this one. So now all the carbon nanotubes become in red colors. That means software is selecting this one as a carbon nanotube. So now we have to go with next button. Just click on the next, then again next, and again just click next, and then next. Here some options there: draw separation line, delete object, add object. If something is not required, we can delete that one, but for this software or our experiment, we accept all everyone. Again click on the next. Then you see the feature of this software. We can measure here area frame, unscaled, area frame, unscaled, area sum, area frame area, area scale area. So now we need area. Just click area, then next. Or another one is area percentage. Measure feature you see area percentage. This is area percentage. So first we will calculate the area percentage and area sum. Again go there, next click. So now it is showing in green color. The green color are now the carbon nanotubes particles, and each percentage is showing 10.37. 10.37 is the area percent, and number of particles. Here this is the number of how many particles are there. It is showing here number of particles, number of areas, and at the right corner you see one button is there, that is just click finished. And yes, now it is showing the actual result, area percentage and area sum. Area sum is 51538 and area percentage is 10.37. So this was our experiment. Thank you. Now we are coming to the last point, how to make the lab reports. So this is your lab manuals. For experiment 1, the title was the study of the microstructure of carbon nanotube reinforced copper composite. So you have to write experiment number 1, then title, and then objective, this one, then procedure, just write this one, and image analysis method. After that we have to attach that sample or pictures. The sample picture, one phrase, this 2 or 3, 4. So we have taken 2, 3 pictures. So you have to attach this. Then you have to write about result or discussion or conclusions at the end.